Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Cook Like Mamta. Today I am making chakli. So this is from rice flour and very simple, easy way, and the ingredients are also very less. So let us start. Here I have taken rice flour. We have to just heat it, dry roast. The color should not change, only it should become hot. I made powder out of roasted gram, and then we have to sift it because some granules will be there, so it will stuck while we making the chakli. This is I am making some masala for the chakli. This is jeera, hing, ajwain, salt to taste, chili powder. Just pound it everything. Or if you want, you can put in a mixer also, no problem. Then put this mixture to the rice flour and gram flour. Now add hot oil. This is a very important step here. If you don't want to add hot oil, you can add butter also. Now mix it with hand only, so that just press it properly in the hand. You can see the change in the color. See, it should bind like this. Now this is hot water, boiling water. Add hot water to this mixture. Then mix it with any spoon. Mix in a little quantity, then again add hot water. We should not pour all the water at a time. You can see the consistency. According to that, we have to add water. Yeah, keep it like this for 5-10 minutes. Now, meantime, we'll make the preparation of chakli press. Apply oil to this chakli press there. Here, I am taking very less quantity. Then mix it. If required, add cold water. Knead it well. You should feel the atta in the hand, like it should not be dry. If it is very dry, means the chaklis will break. It won't come in the proper shape. Just add very little quantity of water to that. Make roll out of this and put it into the chakli press. Apply oil before putting the atta. Chakli out of atta like this. To check the oil, just put one piece of chakli in this, and if it raises fast, then our oil is hot. And for chakli we need very hot oil, and don't sim the heat. You can see the bubbles over that. Flip it. Yeah, if in the oil the bubbles will almost stops, that time chakli is done. You can see the chakli. It's looking so amazing. I hope you all like this recipe and you will try it. If you want to cook like Mamta, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.